Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Baroni, and I don't want to make this intro too long, so let's get right into it. Today I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of what is in my heavy backpack. Yep, it's pretty huge, but yeah, I don't want to make this video too long for you guys, so let's get right into it. Okay guys, this is what my backpack looks like. It is very big. Even if you don't have like a lot of stuff in it, it's still very big. So it's just one of those backpacks. It's not like a, like a brand like a Cancun I think, or but it's just a regular backpack. I've had this backpack for 2 or 3 years I think, and it's pretty sturdy. Like, it lasted me, and if your backpack still does its job, why buy a new one? So I just have this as a backpack. It actually has padding on the back right here, so that's why I love it, and it has a lot of pockets and a lot of space. So yeah. So starting with this first little pocket in the front. Ooh, it's heavy guys. I just have my headphones or earpiece or whatever you call them. I always listen to music at school, so this is a must. Let's dig in. I have some tissues. Yep, it's Corona and we have to stay safe out here. And even if it wasn't Corona, like, you need some tissues in your backpack. Next, I have this little space right here. It has a lot of like little pouches, guys. In this one I have, let's try to hold it up, I have 2 extra masks because I sometimes forget, or sometimes I have to wear another one, and I have extra in my bag. I have a hair tie. That's self-explanatory, guys. You always have to have a hair tie in your bag. Another pack of tissues. Yes, I'm overdoing it, but yeah, I just use them a lot for my shoes, for for a lot of stuff. Then I have some wet wipes that I use to wipe my desk, and a lot of different things. When my shoes get dirty, I also use these wet wipes, so get you some wet wipes. Then I have my keys, my house keys, guys, in the front. Then I have some Vaseline. Yes, my lips get dry underneath my mask, and I need this. And then I have some hand sanitizer. Always keep this in your bag, in your purse, in your backpack, no matter where you go. Okay, keep it. Next, I have this little hand spray. They say that it's like alcohol or whatever, but it just smells good, and I don't think it's really like pure alcohol, but it smells good, so that's why I have it. Next up, I have some hand cream. I actually used to use this for my feet, but guys, my friend, I tried to offer this to her, like, yeah, I have some cream, and she's like, no, this is hand cream. And I was like, huh? It's hand? And I read it, and yeah, it ended up being hand cream. So next up, I have this. This is actually the spray that comes with your glasses. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, it's for my glasses, and I have this. I actually used to bring my entire case, but it just takes up way too much space in my backpack. I have an extra bracelet and like a coin, just some extra stuff. I haven't started school yet, you guys, but I think I'll start next week. Yes, in person actually, so I need these things. Next we have this little compartment right here, and I just have some snacks. I have this little brownie. I have a lot of snacks in my backpack, like usually, not every day, but you know, I try to keep snacks in my backpack because who doesn't like to snack on something during class? Like, you need it. I just have this little hand sanitizer thingy on my backpack. People like use this a lot more than I use it, guys. When people see it, they just wanna automatically sanitize their hands for no reason. I don't know. But let's go to the sides. I have my handy dandy umbrella. I need it because where I live it's super hot, especially in October, you guys, in November, and it's super hot and I need this. And it also, you know, for rain and stuff, you know. And next I have this alcohol spray. My mom puts it in like this little spray bottle for us, so yeah, that's also very handy to have. And on the other side I have my water bottle. It's not that big, but it's pretty big, and it's fairly empty, guys, because yeah, I haven't started school yet, and I just wanted to show you guys what I really bring to school. Next up I have this like little, not little, it's actually big space right here, and this is where I store my snacks, my lunch, and everything. But here I just have some chips. I just put it in there, guys. I just have some chips. I love to snack in class, like I told you guys. Then I have my wallet. Never forget this because the horror stories that I have for you guys. Don't forget your wallet at home, please. Next I have this little emergency kit. If you guys want to know what is actually in here, then click on this video or I will link it in my description box below. I have an entire video on my emergency kit, what you need in there and everything. Like, go and watch it after this video, okay? Next up I have this little notebook thingy. I don't have an agenda or what do you call it, a planner, because I don't really use them. If I like in the past I had planners and agendas, but I only used to write my name in the front and that was it. So I felt like it was a waste of money, and so I just bought this little notebook that I write usually everything in, and it's pretty, you know, pretty cute. So why not? So next up I have my handy dandy calculator. I've had this for about 3 to 4 years now. That's why it's looking a little bit rough, but it's a pretty good one. Calculators are not something that you have to buy every year, because if it works, why buy another one, you know? And this one is pretty good. It's a Canon, and they also have Casio or Casio, I don't know how to pronounce it, but those are also good ones that you can keep for a while. So the last thing I have in here is this little fan, mini fan. I don't know, but it's pretty good because like I said, it's super hot. Like right now my fan is on, but it's still super hot. Okay guys, so imagine being at school, you have to, you know, listen to your teacher, but it's hot, you can't really focus. So that's why I have this. I got it from my mom. She had two and she gave me one. It's pretty, like, yeah, it works, guys. Invest in one of these. Okay, now for the last pocket, which is the bigger one right here. Let's see what we have in here. I have just some folders, notebooks, like all of that. And yeah, I don't really have my books yet because I don't have a schedule yet and stuff like that, but I usually have a ton of books in here. Guys, my bag is usually super heavy, guys, like super heavy. Okay, so it's actually good to have a pretty big backpack because I carry like a lot of books. One thing I do want to say is that this notebook looks pretty busted up because it's old. It's from last year. I'm gonna keep using it because it still has space, and I am going to need the information in the front for this school year also, so why not keep working in the same notebook, guys. So next up I have this jacket, and I did say that it was pretty hot but I leave super early in the morning, like 5:30. My school bus arrives at 5:30 and it's very cold in the morning time, so I always have this jacket in case I need it. And I think this is the last thing, but I have my pencil case, my pencil pouch, whatever you guys call it. This is also from last year. It's pretty good still, like it's not ripped or anything. I just have pencils in here, like erasers, just regular stuff. This is super cute, you guys. It's a mini stapler. If you can get your hands on one of these, then definitely go ahead and buy it because it's worth it, guys. I have some sticky notes and yeah, a sharpener, eraser, all of those stuff that you have in your pencil case. So I think that's it, guys. Like there's nothing left. This is what it looks like empty, and it's still like a little bit huge, you guys. So yeah, there's nothing in it. So guys, that was it for my little tour of what I bring to school or what is in my backpack. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and go ahead, leave me a like. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below of what you have in your backpack, and if you have started school already or when you start school. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then go ahead. I make a lot of good content that you don't want to miss out on, so go ahead and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.